नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचजीटी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द रिमेनिंग थ्योरम ऑफ सर्कल. ओके, so first we will discuss the remaining theorem of circle and then we will solve the practice set 3.1. So let's start from the theorem number 10. Okay, so if two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of the circle, then the product of the two segments on one chord AM into MB is equal to the product of the length of the two segments of other chord CM into MD. We have to prove this. So let's start. Okay, a circle with or a point O is the center of circle. Okay, chord, first chord AB and chord CD, intersect each other, at point M. At point M, you can see this at point M. So we have to prove that AM into MB, the product for first chord, into CM into MD. This is product for the second chord. Now I have to join AC and DB. Join seg or draw. Just you write join or draw. Join seg AC and seg DB. So you have to join this. Then in triangle, it is very easy. In triangle, CAM and triangle BDM. Angle CAM congruent angle BDM, angles inscribed in same arc, same arc. Second angle, I will write AMC congruent angle BMC. Vertically opposite angles. You can see this and this vertically opposite angles. A angle and D angle, these are the angle inscribed in arc AD. You can see this. Therefore triangle, which triangle, what is the name? CAM, similar triangle. Similar triangle BDM. BDM. A test of similarity. Therefore which sides we want exactly? We want AM, so we'll take AM and then I will get DM. And we want CM. We want CM actually. So we want CM, so CM and BM. Corresponding sides of similar triangles, you have to write reason. Therefore AM into BM or MB is equal to CM into MD. This is our proof. And this way you have to prove this. This is very easy. Very easy. Just you have to take two triangles and everything is very easy. Just little concentration is required to prove this theorem. So this is the theorem number 10. We have just solved it, and now we are going to solve theorem number 11. So we'll solve the theorem number 11. Actually this is not 10, this is 11. 1 and 1. So this is the theorem of external division of two chords, with a second. External division of chord with a second. So now see that if seconds containing chords, this is AE is the second actually, and CE is the second. Chord is AB and CD is chord. Chords AB and CD of a circle intersect outside the circle in the point E. So E is nothing but the point of second. Then prove that the AE, this AE into B, and CE into D. We have to prove this. So now before proving this, we will write the given. So given is what? Chords AB and CD intersects outside outside of a circle in point E. In point E. This is given. And now what we have to prove? We have to prove AE into EB is equal to C into ED. We have to prove this. And now construction is little construction, join AD and CB. Okay, join. So we can write join AD. Okay, join AD and CB. Okay, join AD and CB. Okay, so just this is the required conditions, and now after this we have to select two triangles, and then we have to prove this. Okay. Okay, so we'll prove this. This is one of the activity actually given in your book. Okay, so in triangle AD, okay, in triangle ADE and triangle CB, okay, CB, okay, this ADE and CB, okay, angle AED congruent angle CEB, this is common angle, okay, common angle, okay, is the common angle. Okay, angle DAE, okay, angle DAE congruent angle, okay, this DABCE, okay, BC, okay, angles inscribed in same circle, angles inscribed in same arc, okay, both angles, okay, this angle and this angle, it is inscribed in this arc, okay, which arc? AC. Okay, therefore triangle ADE, okay, ADE similar triangle CB, okay, CB, okay, a test of similarity. Okay, after getting this, almost our proof is ready. Now we want AE. Okay, so we'll take this AE, therefore AE I will get C, yes, C. Okay, and next we want D. Actually we want what? B want. So we will take this D. Okay, so EB or D. Okay, EB, and this is, no, this is D, ED. Okay, ED, this is ED, and this is EB. Okay, so these are the corresponding sides of similar triangles, and that's why now this will be alternatively A into EB and C into ED. Okay, this is our proof. Actually it is very easy. Just you have to select two triangles, just do the little construction, just little construction and little attention is required. These theorems are very easy actually. Okay, if these theorems ask in exam, this theorem will ask for 3 marks maximum, I think so. Okay, so this is the theorem number 11. We have just solved it. Okay, external division of chords means, external means what? In an external point, when that two chords divides, means that is the second. Okay, point of seconds. Okay, so then you'll get this type of proof. Okay, this type of division of the chords. Okay, so now this is the theorem number 11, and now we are going to solve the last theorem of this lesson, the theorem number 12. Okay, so we are going to discuss last theorem. This is actual last theorem, but there are so many theorems in this lesson. Okay, so in exercise you will get theorem, in problem set you will get theorem, some corollaries are there, some properties are there, and some converse are there. We have not discussed all that things, but you have to go through all that things. Okay, so that things will help you in your examination. Okay, and that all things are very easy. Okay, now we'll discuss the last theorem in this lesson. It is known as tangent second segment theorem. Tangent second segment theorem. Okay, so this is 12th number theorem. If a secant through point, okay, this is second. Okay, this EB is the second. Okay, intersect the circle at point AB. Okay, where it is intersect AB. Okay, and tangent through E. Okay, this is ET is the tangent. Okay, through E touches the circle at point T, then prove that EA. Okay, this EA into EB is equal to ET square. This is tangent square. Okay, okay, the length. Okay, this is we have to prove. Now what is given? We'll write first given. Okay, so same, the secant, a secant through point E intersects circle at points A and B. Okay, and tangent touches at point t. Okay, and this is very short. Okay, in short you can write this. Okay, now prove. What we have to prove? There is given EA. Okay, EA into EB is equal to ET square. You have to prove this. Okay. Now construction, join seg AT and seg TB. Okay, or BT. Join seg, or draw. You can write seg AT and seg BT. Okay, therefore in triangle, now in triangle just take the triangle. In triangle EAT, okay, eat, in triangle EAT, eat, and triangle E, okay, in, and triangle EBT, okay, EBT, in triangle EAT, okay, and triangle EBT, IBT. Okay, now common angle, first we will take E is the common angle, so this AET, okay, AET congruent angle BET, okay, BET, this is common angle, okay, common angle in both triangles. Okay, this is first. Second, okay, second thing, now this angle and this angle, okay, tangent second, okay, theorem. If you going to see, this is a tangent and this is the second, so angle made by the tangent and second, okay, both are congruent, so angle ETA congruent angle BT, okay, BT, okay, ETA and congruent angle EBT, you can take EBT also, okay, ETA, okay, and then EBT, okay, EBT, no problem, EBT, okay, this is tangent second theorem, okay, tangent second theorem. If you have going through that theorem, you will got this. Okay, therefore triangle EAT similar triangle EAT, okay, a test, mostly you have to use the same test, a test, okay, mostly you have to use the same test. Okay, now which things we want? EA we want, therefore EA upon what I will get EB. Okay, and next I want ET, one second, EAT, okay, EA upon EB, okay, but I want product, one second, wait. Okay, so no problem, we'll take we change this side only. Okay, so we take first ET, okay, but one second, I have just made anything wrong in that. Okay, actually sorry, the name I was taken wrong, so we just do the correction here. Okay, EAT and ETB, okay, sorry, this name will take. Okay, so other things are same, no changes there, but this is actual name EAT and then ETB. Okay, this name, okay, these two triangles we have selected. Okay, other things are same. Okay, therefore I will take, okay, this ET upon, I will get this ET, then I will get this EB. Okay, EB, and I will take which thing I want, actually ET I want twice. Okay, so EA, okay, this is EA upon this ET. Okay, therefore this is corresponding sides of similar triangles, rest all is same, don't take tension. Okay, just confuse. Okay, so therefore ET square is equal to EA into EB. Okay, this is our proof actually. Okay, so we got it. एक्चुअली थोड़ी गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा हो जाता है ऐसा, मतलब कन्फ्यूजिंग हो जाता है. ओके, सो ये दिस topic is completed, means all theorems, almost all theorems we have discussed in 3 continued videos. Okay, and what are the theorems, corollaries, and properties, and the converse, which I have not discussed with you. You have to check all that things, because that all things are very essential or IMP things to know more about this lesson, and that will help you to solve the problems. Okay, so here this theorems topic is completed, and in the next video we'll discuss about the practice set 3.1. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon button so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.